Eurofighter! Eurofighter Typhoon!
Woo!
That was the sound of a Eurofighter Typhoon afterburners.
That's just gone through the whole estate.
Yeah, it probably has. Are we going to see it again? I don't know. Okay, there.
Last time I saw one of those doing this sort of thing, it came
Oh, you can see it! You can see it, Mum.
Remember what I said? It's been designed to be
Where?
unaerodynamic to be stable.
Oh yeah.
It's designed to be unaerodynamic and yeah.
That's awesome.
Wait. Doing his baby.
Yes.
He's going to the baby Jesus of YouTube.
Can you see it, Marshall? Not yet.
Nope.
Yeah. There. Just one past the.
Oh, he's down there. He's right down there. Yeah, I can't go to the tail.
I can't see any glimpse of any tail or anything. But I listen to the chorus sounds nevertheless. That's about all I got for now, so I'll see you in the next video. Bye!